Chenford makes genuine progress in Wildfire. A significant step toward a possible reconciliation is also taken by Lucy Chen and Tim Bradford in the most recent episode, Wildfire. To the satisfaction of all Chenford fans, Tim confesses his love for Lucy to her while they are sheltered under a fireproof sheet after becoming stranded on a rural road by a threatening wildfire. Fortunately, Tim and Lucy escape the blaze with little damage. As Tim and Lucy are recuperating in the hospital near the end of the episode, Lucy says she has been considering her career and plans to take the sergeant's exam, which would remove her from Tim's leadership. The concept suggests that the pair might reconcile. After the bitter herbs of the previous 2 seasons, this episode is like the sweet dessert for Chenford ship enthusiasts. Tim Bradford's Season 7 run has been incredible. Tim Bradford has remarkable emotional development in Season 7. He is more forthcoming with his emotions, open with his co-workers, and demonstrates a sincere desire to improve his mental well-being and mend his relationship with Lucy. Tim's recent revelation that he was attempting to be more emotionally available was delightful and humorous at the same time. Although Tim was already a beloved character from The Rookie, the most recent changes gave him the most recent episode of The Rookie, which was taped prior to the recent wave of wildfires in California. As mentioned at the beginning of the program, Wildfire sets the setting for significant moments. Glasser, Seth Gable, the serial killer Nyla, Mikia Cox, is watching because they haven't had enough to capture him yet, returns in the ABC thriller. To make room for a crucial confession, or two, it puts Lucy, Melissa O'Neill, and Tim, Eric Winter, in serious peril. Once more, Seth, Patrick Kelleher, tells a falsehood, but this time it almost kills him. All of this culminates in a startling conclusion that leaves a loved one bleeding to death. Nyla combines work and play by hiking with Lucy and Selena, Lee Seth Chavez, and watching over Glasser. Gray, Richard T. Jones, had to cut his surveillance in half, but Nyla has been taking over, and she knows that Glasser will make a mistake. When a wildfire breaks out, she assumes that Glasser is to blame. After obtaining legal advice from Wesley, Sean Ashmore, Nyla uses his family's evacuation to search any place where someone might hide. He follows her inside and taunts her, asking if it's difficult to hide her true self from her family. Does she relive the moments she ended the lives she did in the line of duty? Glasser sneaks out, saying his wife he's checking on his warehouse, while Nolan, Nathan Fillion, and Miles, Derek Augustine, follow his family to the neighboring shelter. However, they get sidetracked by a fight. Until his kid lies to the police, as his father had instructed, and they show her video of him in a different vehicle with